Do you want to try your hand at comics, character design, or animation? Are you looking to improve your skills for the real world? Look no further. Max the Mutt College of Animation, Art, and Design has a variety of art workshops for those skills and more. Our aim is to provide students with a fun and educational experience, either building new skills or enhancing the ones you already have. We pride ourselves on the quality of our offerings. This means you always get a small class size, instructors who are industry professionals, and a supportive and fun environment. Maxima also holds their workshops to the same high standard as our diploma programs. Maxima has workshops for artists of every level, and online classes can be accessed from anywhere. The best part is that workshops are designed by artists for artists to help you build your skills and develop a repertoire filled with approaches and techniques to help you on your own artistic journey. For more information, you can visit maxthemutt.com/artworkshops. We hope to see you at a workshop soon.